Hello everybody, a very good evening to everyone. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you in this extremely important marathon session on SSC CGL 2022 exam. My dear students, just today around 2 hours back, SSC NR Northern Region, they've released the admit card for the SSC CGL Tier 1 2022 exam. And guess what? The other regions of SSC, they have also released, and some more are yet to release. Within today or tomorrow they will be releasing, within couple of days, maximum by day after tomorrow. So the game is on. Yes, my dear students, the game is on. From 1st of December, the mega battle will start. So information, hello and welcome. My dear students, today is 21st. So even if we include today, there are 10 days left for your exam. From today 21st till 30th. Okay. So what we can do our best is to solve the past year question papers. So today what we are going to do, for complete 3-hour non-stop. Yes, you have heard it right. For complete 3-hour non-stop, we are going to start this. Okay, so see, today we are going to discuss the Ssc Cgl exam which was conducted on 21st of April 2022. So on 21st of April 2022, the Ssc Cgl exam was conducted in 3 shifts. Shift 1, Shift 2 and Shift 3. Each of the shifts had 25 questions. So 25 questions of Shift 1 plus 25 questions of Shift 2 plus 25 questions of Shift 3. So in all, today we are going to discuss 75 questions. 74 questions will be discussed in the class and the 75th one will be your home exercise. Alright. Yes, information adda, there the date of exam is also mentioned. The date of exam is also mentioned. Okay. Now, my dear students, as you all are well aware that Ssc Cgl exam which was conducted on 21st of April was conducted across 3 shifts, as you can see. So first we will be discussing the 25 questions of Shift 1, thereafter the 25 questions of Shift 2 and thereafter the 25 questions of Shift 3. Alright, so in all 75 questions will be discussed, 74 in class and 1 in your homework. Alright, so please everybody, please like and share the session. We are about to start with this. Alright everybody, so please hurry up guys, please join us. We are about to start. Okay. Now, my dear students, have a look at the thought of the day. My dear students, see, what is the thought of the day telling you? It says, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Yes, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And if you change nothing, nothing will change. Yes, so if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And if you change nothing, nothing will change. Keep it in mind, my dear students, because change is the law of nature. It's the only thing which is constant. So only change is constant. Okay, fine everybody, and I hope that all of you are super ready. I hope all of you are super excited. Please like and share the session. Ask more and more students to join in. We are about to start, and here we go with the very first question, guys. Okay, here we go. Try this one. Hurry up, try this one, guys. Take your time. Take your time. Here, if you see the numbers, a certain relation is going on over here, which is very easy. It's very much predictable. The same relation which is going on over here, the same relation you have to apply over here. As simple as that. Alright, everybody. Now, what is going on? Can anybody tell me? See, time and again I have requested all of you, please memorize the squares of numbers from 1 to 25. Please memorize the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. So squares of numbers from 1 to 25 and cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. Now if you see this, my dear students, 13 is given. Now 13 minus 2 is 11. 13 minus 2 is 11 and that's square. That's cube. 11's cube. Okay everybody. So 13 minus 2 is 11 and 11's cube if you check, is 1331. All right. So similarly, on the similar ground, it's 17 minus 2's cube. So 17 minus 2 is 15, and 15's cube. Okay, obviously 15's cube at the end will give 5 only. 15's cube at the end will give 5 only. So 5 only is there in only one option. So smartly we can mark option C as the right answer. All right, information. All right, Mukesh, JR. The next question, guys. Time starts. Hurry up. What is going on over here? Please concentrate. Okay, I'm very sure you will be able to do this. Think, focus. 1 minute is more than sufficient. So if you see this 7, 16, 41, 94, 251 and the next. So if you see 7's multiple is not this, 16's multiple is not this, do one thing. Let us take the difference. So here 16 minus 7 is 9. 41 minus 16 is 25. Alright. Now here. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay everyone. Now over here, my dear students, 11 minus 4 is 7 and 24 minus 9 is 15. Alright everybody. Getting it or not everyone? Are you all getting? So 7 plus 4, 11 and 16. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. Alright everybody. Getting it? But now what is going on over here? Okay. See, information, the best thing for this kind of topic is practice. The more you practice, the more you gain. Now for example, here if you see, it's 9 3 ja 27 minus 2. And here it's 25 into 2, 50 plus 3. Similarly over here 53 into 3, 159 minus 2. And then it's, my dear students, 157 into 2. It's 314 plus 3, which is 317. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So the correct answer is 568. The correct answer is 568. And that is the right answer. So see, this is a better question, guys. Honestly speaking, this is a better question. Okay, into 2. You can see into 2 and then into 3 minus 2. This is into 3 minus 2, guys. Okay, this is 9 3 ja 27 minus 2. Okay, then here 25 2 ja 50 plus 3. Then 53 into 3, 159 minus 2. 53 into 3, 159 minus 2. Okay, and then it is 157 into 2, 314 plus 3. So I hope all of you are getting the answer is 568. All right. So first difference everyone will do. The second difference is into 3 minus 2 into 2 plus 3, into 3 minus 2 into 2 plus 3, and so on. Okay everybody. Now the next question. Time starts now. Very simple one. Now these kind of questions, do you think that they require much of time? Orally you can do them, verbally you can do them. Okay, do not use pen and paper. Do not use pen and paper. From J, 2 steps backward is H. So from P, 2 steps backward is N. Now from S, 3 steps backward is P. From W, 3 steps backward is T. Now from T, UVWX plus 4, UVWX plus 4, J plus 4, KLMN, KLMN. So it's NTN, and NTN means the correct answer, the valid answer is option number A. Alright, the correct answer, the valid answer is option number A. So these kind of questions are super easy, guys. The next question, please try this one. Quickly guys, please try this one. Quickly. Now here, you have to just do a bit of hit and trial along with application of mind. So you have to keep your eyes open over here. Okay, which two signs should be interchanged to make the equation balanced, to make it correct? Okay, so here, just try this. If we interchange plus and minus, So if you interchange plus and minus, 16 plus 18 into 216 divided by 432 minus 40. Okay, plus and minus have been interchanged. Now see, what are you getting over here? Here you are getting 16 plus 18 into 216 upon 432 minus 40. Now this is 2 times and this is 9 times. Now 16 plus 9, 25 minus 40. 16 plus 9, 25 minus 40. Will it give you anything in plus 20? 16 plus 9, 25 minus 40. Will it give you something in plus 20? Obviously not. Obviously not. So now the next thing. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. So divide over here, multiply over here. So 16, okay, minus 18, 216, 432 and 40. All right, everybody. Now, what is happening over here? What is happening over here? See, 16 minus 18 by 216 into 432 plus 40. So if you solve this, this is twice. And now it is 16 minus 36 plus 40. 16 minus 36 plus 40. So what is basically this? This is 56 minus 36, which is basically 20. Which is basically 20. And the same thing is found over here. All right, everybody. So Mukesh, information. I hope all of you are getting this. Now coming to the next one, guys. Option number B is the right one, as we can see. A bit of hit and trial is being done over here. Now this is very simple. Simple application of BODMAS rule. Quickly, everybody. 1 minute is more than sufficient. So Mukesh, information Adda. See, all those who are live, I will request them to please like and share this session. So please, everybody, please like and share the session. Okay? Now see what is happening. A denotes addition. You can see A denotes addition. So wherever is A, replace it by addition. Okay. Now B denotes multiplication. So wherever B is there, replace it by multiplication. C denotes subtraction. So wherever C is there, replace it by subtraction. And D denotes division. Okay. So wherever D is there, replace it by division. And you all are well aware of the BODMAS principle. The BODMAS rule. It's bracket of divide. It's bracket of divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. All right. Now see, 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 into 5 plus 8 multiplied by 7 plus 3, 10 minus 6. 7 plus 3, 10 minus 6 is 4. Minus 28 divided by, minus 28 divided by 4 upon 4, which is 1. So if you further solve this, it's 5 times and 5 5 are 25 plus 32 minus 28. So basically it's 25 plus 4. Basically it's 25 plus 4, which is 29. Which is 29. Okay, everybody. So the correct answer is option number C, 29. All right, everybody. Getting it? Now, the sixth question. Now, these kind of questions are based on pure observation. You can observe the things and you can do it easily. All right, please try this on your own. Come on, please try this. Now see, observe the inclination. 45-degree clockwise, then 45-degree clockwise. Now 45-degree clockwise will be like this. So here 45-degree clockwise, 45-degree clockwise, and now 45-degree clockwise will be like this. So that means this option number B is totally gone. Okay. Now see, you can easily find out the answer. How? Let us discuss. See what is happening. My dear students, this star is coming over here in the next one. This triangle is coming over here in the next one. Now this square will be coming over here. Now when this square will be coming over here, my dear students, you can see square everywhere. Square everywhere. So that is fine. But then, my dear students, what else is happening? So this circle is coming over here. So this star is coming over here. Now this triangle will be coming over here. Now if triangle will be coming over here, obviously this is gone. So here, till here everything is fine. Till here everything is fine. Now what will happen? Now see here, this square is coming over here. Okay, here this diamond structure is coming over here. Alright, so now what will happen? This circular structure, the circular structure will be coming over here. Okay, now if circular structure will be coming over here, it is gone. And therefore the correct answer is option number A. The correct one is option number A. So this is how you will observe the movements. Alright, the next question. Time starts. Okay, now one of the easiest question types, one of the scoring question types. Quickly everybody. So you have to arrange the words as per the English dictionary. So BE, my dear students, everywhere you can see that BE is there. Everywhere you can see that BE is there. So obviously first, fourth one will be arranged. Fourth one is nowhere in any other option other than A. Fourth one is nowhere in any other option other than A. So obviously option A will be marked. Okay. Now see, you can check it further. In exam you need not check this, but here you can verify. After BE, it's BEA. So it's third one. Now after BEA, my dear students, see why I did that. Because after BE it's A, and then it's TU and U. So obviously now BT will be there. Now after here BEAUT, after BEAUT, it's the turn of IC. It's the turn of IC. Then it's the turn of IF. And then finally it's the turn of Y. So my dear students, it's 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. It's 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. The correct answer is option number A. Alright, the correct answer is option number A. Now, solve this one, the 8th question. Quickly everyone. Concentrate. This is a question of paper cutting and folding. So the right side has been folded over here and then cutting is done. So when it will be again unfolded, the best part to check is a triangle is over here in this manner. So here its mirror image will be formed. So now here the triangles cannot be in this manner. Okay, the triangles cannot be in this manner. So this is fine. This kind of triangle is fine. Now the next thing, here the star is straight. So here also the star will be straight. So my dear students, here the stars are not straight, so it is gone. So what is the valid answer? The correct answer is option number D. Option number D is the correct answer. So this is how you will solve the question. The next question. Time starts. Now again an easy one. Again an easy one. Please try this. See, I am very sure that you all will be able to do this. Okay, tulips is written as GFO, GFO RKH. Garden, garden will be written as what? Now see, all of you are well aware of a concept called opposites. Now what do we mean by opposites? See, opposites we have already discussed several times earlier also. Now let me discuss it again. Now see, my dear students, please have a look at this. Okay, what is opposite? A is first letter from the beginning, Z is first letter from the end. B is second letter from the beginning, Y is second letter from the end. C is third letter from the beginning, X is third letter from the end. And very good, Kia, very good information. Mukesh, very good. Now see how to memorize this. A is opposite Z, everyone remembers. Remember a word boy, B is opposite Y. Remember a word cracks, C is opposite X. Remember a word dew, D is opposite W. Remember a word evening time, so that E is opposite is V. Remember a word flu, F is opposite U. GST, goods and services tax, G is opposite T. His, H is opposite S. Indian Railways, I is opposite is R. Now Jack and Queen, Jack and Queen, J is opposite Q. PK, P is opposite K. Owl, O is opposite L. Man or men, M is opposite N. I hope it is clear. Now see, I am not that kind of mentor or faculty who will tell you that the way I have discussed exactly in that way you have to remember. No. You can remember G is opposite T as GT road, Grand Trunk Road. And similarly, you can do many other changes or alterations. Okay, but the point is you have to remember it. Now see, GST, G is opposite T, flu, owl, Indian Railways, PK, his. So GST, A is opposite Z, Indian Railways, due, evening time and man. So TZI, WVM. TZI, WVM is the correct answer. Alright, everybody? Fine. Now the next thing. Please solve this one, guys. We have to find the water image of the given combination. Okay, so what is the water image of the given combination? So Vikramaditya, information, Mukesh. See, all those who are live, I will request them to please like and share the session. Okay, so please like and share the session, guys. Now see, water image. Now what is water image? When you see in the water, your image is inverted. When you see in the water, when you look yourself in the water, your image is inverted. So here also, if you see the mirror image of 5, so obviously what you will be getting? Obviously what you will be getting, guys, if you look at the mirror image of 5, okay, so 5's mirror image, this thing, see, this you are getting over here, so this you will be getting over here. So this will be fine. So this is gone. Now if you talk about 9, so 9, this circle is upwards, so here it will be downwards. So here it will be downwards. It's fine, but obviously its tilt will be not over here. Now if you go further, my dear students, everything is correct, but what is the difference? My dear students, isn't there a difference? Isn't there a difference? The correct answer is option number D. Why? What is the reason? Why option number D is the right answer? Because of M. Because of M. Okay, M will be like this and not like this. So this is how it will be eliminated. Option number D is the valid answer. Okay, see, just observe M. This structure, if you observe this structure is present over here, not over here. So this is how you will identify the real answer, the correct answer. All right. Now, moving ahead. Now, again, this is a very simple question. Okay. I hope that all of you are aware about the basic 𝐃𝐻𝐿 concept. Okay, what is 𝐃𝐻𝐿? 𝐃𝐻𝐿 is not a meaningful word, but its beauty is that the letters that it carries has place values in multiples of 5. The letters that it carries has place values in multiples of 5. Okay, everybody. So now see. G's position is 7. G's position is 7 and 7's triple 3 times is 21. Okay, it's fine. Then see, G's position 7, A is 1 and 14, G 7, A 1. So now 1's thrice is 3, 14's thrice is 42, 7's thrice is 21, 1's thrice is 3. Now here, K 11, 15, 19, 8 and 9. 11's thrice is 33. 15th thrice is 45, 19th thrice is 57, its thrice is 24, 24 and 9th thrice is 27. Now similarly, here if you see, my dear students, how will this word Gomti be coded? Okay, everybody. So I hope it is very clear. So G is 7, 7th thrice is 21, so it is over here and here. O 15, okay. So my dear students, 15th thrice is 45. 45 you can see over here. Okay, and here it is gone. So now what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number B. Okay, so the positions of the letters have been multiplied by 3 to get the valid answer. Okay, now here, solve the next one, the 12th question. It is a question of embedded figures. Select the option that is embedded in this figure. Okay, the option that is embedded. Embedded means hidden in this figure. All right, everybody. Now see, if you check this, you will get the answer. Yes, very easily you will get the answer. This structure, where are you getting over here? Okay, rotation is not allowed. This is gone. If you talk about this, this structure, where are you getting? Rotation is disallowed. And here, my dear students, everything is fine. But where are you getting this kind of square? Where are you getting this kind of square over there? Perfect. See, this is a kite. This is a kite. This is a kite. Is this a kite? No, this is a perfect square. Okay, so it's gone. The best answer is this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then okay, my dear students, is that the answer? No. Is that the answer? Tell me. If you mark this as the answer, okay, are you getting it? Is this the answer? Tell me. Is option B the answer or something else is the answer? Is option B the answer or something else is the answer? Tell me. So if you check carefully, there is a difference. And the difference over here is fine. I agree to this point that, okay, we require something like this. But then we have to complete this line and the line must pass through here. So is B a correct answer? Okay, the correct answer is B. Is it? So tell me, information is telling it is C. So if you tell information that it is C, will C be the answer? Tell me. Yes, information is telling C. Vikramaditya is telling D. You are telling D. See, in D, is that the right answer? Is D the right answer? Tell me, guys. Check. Vikram, yes, so now you have changed. Now you have changed. Yes, the correct answer is option number C. So earlier I have done mistake. Okay, I just saw this and I said that no, that this portion is not there. Okay, but it was there. If you check carefully, if you check minutely, and yes, forget about the rotation. Even if rotation is disallowed, you are getting that clearly over here. All right, you are getting that clearly over here. All right, everybody, select the option that is embedded in the given figure X. Yes, option number C is embedded in the given figure X. If you talk about this structure, it is clearly found over here. All right, if you talk about this structure, okay, you can clearly find it over here. Okay, and then if you find it this, you are getting it. So my dear students, you can see the perfect answer to the question that we were discussing is option number C. All right, fine. So that is what we have to do. We have to carefully observe the things. The next question, oh, dice, easiest topic where doing mistake is a crime. Okay, so here is telling which of the following statement is correct. Okay, so 2 or more positions of the same dice are given. 2 or more positions of the same dice are given, and now if you check, just focus on these two things. Just focus on these two figures. Just focus on these two figures. Okay, so if 2 or more positions of the same dice are given and they have exactly one common face, and that face is at the same location, face is at the same location. See, 2 or more positions of the same dice, only one face common, and that too at the same location. So what is happening? 1's opposite is 6. 1's opposite is 6. 3's opposite is 5. Okay, corresponding faces will be opposite. Corresponding faces will be opposite. And now, what is opposite to 2? It's only 4 possible. So see, 1's opposite to 4? No. 6 is opposite to 1? Yes. 3 is opposite to 6? No. 5 is opposite to 2? No. So what is the correct answer? It's option number C. So this is a very, very simple property of dice which we discuss also. Okay. Now moving ahead. The 14th question. Quickly everybody, the 14th question. Try this one. Hurry up. Now what is happening? Now these kind of questions are tricky at times. You have to understand what is going on. Okay, you have to observe the pattern. Never take such kind of questions at ego in the exam hall. Okay, try this. So you are answering option number B. On what ground, Vikramaditya? Information is telling option number C. So one person is answering option number B, another one is telling option number C. Let us check. Let us check this row. So if I check carefully, it's 13 into 16 by 4. So if you solve this, 4 4 just 16, it's 52, as you can see. If you solve this, it's 15 into 24 by 4. 4 6 are 24, and now 15 6 are 90. All right, as you can see over here. And similarly, my dear students, it's 23 into 36 by 4. So it's 9 times. So when you will multiply 9 3 are 27, okay, and 9 3 are 27, 9 2 are 18, okay. My dear students, what are you getting? It's, yes, option number C. It's option number C. All right. Are you getting it? See, basically what is happening, it's 23 into 36 by 1 minute. It is not 36. Just hold on. Just hold on. My dear students, what is happening? See, what is happening over here? See, 13 into 16 by 4. So 4 4 ja 16 and 13 4 ja 52. 15 into 24 by 4. So 4 6 ja and 15 6 ja will be giving you 90. Now my dear students, it's 23 into 36 by 4. Now if you solve this, obviously if you divide by 4, what are you going to get? It's 4 9 ja. So what are you going to get? 9 3 ja 27. So 7 and 2. So will you get this? Will you get this as the answer? Tell me. So obviously the correct answer will be what? Yes, it will be 207. It will be 207. Okay, everyone? Fine. Will some other logic be there? Is there a calculation mistake or a writing mistake? Okay, let me check. Let me check, guys. Question number 14. Let me check that whether there is, it's 207. It's 207, guys. Please do the correction. It's 207. It's 207. Okay? Fine, everybody. This is 207. Okay? Getting it? Please do the correction. Information and Anupam and Vikramaditya. Please do the correction. It's 207. Okay? And now, moving ahead. The next question. Now, if you solve this, arithmetical reasoning, guys. Yes, Anupam, options were wrong. That is what we corrected. That is what I was correcting over there. Okay? Now, my dear students, the next question. Let the two numbers be x and y. Okay? The ratio of the sum of and the difference of two numbers. Let the numbers be x and y. Take the numbers as a and b, whatever you want. So the ratio of the sum of numbers and the difference between the numbers is basically how much? 6 by 5. If you further solve it, it's 5x plus 5y is equal to 6x minus 6y. Okay, so will you not get the answer? Now you will get the answer. You will be getting the answer as x is equals to 11y. So x by y is equal to 11 upon 1. So I hope all of you are getting the ratio. It's 11 upon 1. Okay. So these kind of questions are mathematical reasoning. Okay. These are what? Mathematical reasoning. See, alternatively, you can see one more thing. Alternatively, you can see one more thing. All right. It's very, very simple also. See, suppose if you see this 11 and 1. So 11 plus 1 is 12 and 11 minus 1 is 10. So if you see the ratio, see that is what we were solving, 6:5 ratio, as you can see. All right. Fine. Now moving ahead. Okay, blood relation, easiest means an area where you will never do mistake. An area where you will never do mistake. Blood relation, direction, okay. Quickly. Now, since it is a question of blood relation, male person will be denoted by plus, female will be denoted by minus, and now couples means the pair of married persons will be denoted by equals to. All right, everyone. Now, if you solve this, which of the following option means J is the father of R? So for J to be the father of R, J must be what? Male. For J to be the father of R, J must be male. So now please see, my dear students, see such options where J is not male. Okay, is there any such option? Is there any such option? See, option number D. Option number D says J at the rate. The moment you see J at the rate, that means J is the wife. J is the wife. And can wife be the father? Wife is female, so can wife be the father? So obviously this is gone. Now see, also one more very important thing. It is telling you J is the father of R. Okay, for J to be the father of R, other options we will have to check. But now please check. K percentage M means K is the brother of M, and M hash J means M is the sister of J. From here, will you be able to define the gender of J? From here, will you be able to define the gender of J? Please understand, J is the father means J is male. This option was eliminated because J at the rate means J is the wife. So how can a wife be a father? So on that ground, this option was eliminated. Now here, K percentage M means K is the brother of M, and M has J means M is the sister of J. So can you determine the gender of J over here? No. So obviously the answer will be from A or C. Now check anyone. If you check A, if that is the answer, fine. Otherwise, C will be the answer, or vice versa. So for example, if I check C, if this will be the answer, fine. Otherwise, option number A. So check this. C at the rate J. Go by this. C at the rate J means C is the wife of J. C at the rate J means C is the wife of J. Obviously, if C is the wife, J is the husband. Now, J dollar K. J dollar K means J is the father of K. Okay. K percentage M. K percentage M means K is the brother of M. And M hash R. M hash R means M is the sister of R. So if you check this, my dear students, isn't J the father of R? Isn't J the father of R? So on that ground, it is correct. But one thing I will like to add, J is the father of R is correct, but R's gender is not clear. So if R is male, R is the son. If female, the daughter. There is only one simple golden rule of drawing the family tree. The one who belongs to the prior generation will be at the top. The ones who belong to the later generation will be at the bottom. The ones who belong to the same generation will be at the same level. Okay? Now, oh, super easy. Means, now what should I discuss over here? Is there something which I should discuss over here? Huh? Assam. Within Assam, Guwahati is the largest city. It's not the capital, but it's the largest city. So Guwahati is in Assam. Guwahati is in Assam. So within Assam state, Guwahati is there. Delhi is a UT, and it entirely comes under the India. Okay, so option B is the valid answer. All right. Very good, Anupam Yadav, Vikramaditya, information. So these are some of the super easy questions. The 18th one. 18th one. Quickly, everyone. Two orientation of a dice are shown. The dice obtained by folding which of the following options along the lines? Okay. So if we open it, which of the following options will be formed? Quickly, everybody. A good question, a better one. Try it on your own first. Come on, guys, please like and share the session. Please like and share the session. It's extremely important. It's extremely useful also. Please, everybody, hurry up. I'm giving you time. See, two or more images of the same dice are given. Two or more images of the same cube are given. They have only one element, and that too at the same location. Now, when you get at the same location, the corresponding faces are opposite. So that means and's opposite is hash. At the rate's opposite is percentage. And dollar's opposite is what probably? Dollar's opposite is I think G. Dollar's opposite is I think G. Okay. Now just imagine. Will you get dollar twice? Will you get dollar twice? No, because G is missing. Where is G over here? The next thing, my dear students, this at the rate and percentage are opposite to each other. If at the rate and percentage are opposite to each other, obviously they cannot be neighbors of each other. So again, this is gone. Now, dollar and G are opposite to each other. If dollar and G are opposite to each other, my dear students, see here dollar and G are neighbors. If they are neighbors, can they be opposite to each other? No. So obviously the correct answer, the valid answer is option number C. So these are some of the areas where it is of no use. Where it is of no use means that you would use pen and paper. Okay, it's one of the easiest thing that is possible. Okay, this is one of those topics where there is no mistake zone. The 19th one. Now this is something which you can do verbally. This is something which you can do verbally, guys. Okay. In a certain code language, are you ready? Is written as 541. Okay. So do not write this in exam. I'm just writing for your benefit over here. Are you ready? It is written as 541. We are going. We are going. We are going is written as 261. and she is ready. She is ready. She is ready is written as 498. Never write this in exam. Never ever write this in exam. It is a sin. It is a sin. I have written so as to explain to you. You have to find the code of U. Now see, one very simple way. You have to find the code of U. Now, in this line you can check R is present at other places as well, ready is present at other places as well. R is present at other places, ready is present at other places, but U is nowhere else other than this present. So here 4 is present at more places, 1 is present at more places, but 5 is nowhere else. U is nowhere else, 5 is nowhere else. You are smart enough to guess the right answer. Alright? Now moving ahead, coming to the next one. Solve this one, guys. Quickly, the next question, a beautiful one. Okay, beautiful one. Hurry up. A good question. So in this particular exam, these kind of questions are really good. They are good questions. Take your time. Now see what is happening over here. See what is happening. I will discuss this. Let me just write the numbers. It's 1, 1, double, 2, 6, 10, 42, blank, and then it's 1806. See, in unusual questions, unusual things happen. So what is happening over here? Check over here. 1 cube, okay, no, not 1 cube. It's 1 square. 1 square, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 square, 36 plus 6. So what squares? The same number is added. Square, the same number is added. Square, the same number is added. So now you can check this also, that it is 42 square and plus the same number is added. Now if you want to find 42 square, there are two ways. I will discuss two ways of finding the 42 square. One is verbally and another is by the use of pen and paper. So if you find the square of 42 by pen and paper, there are many ways, one of which I will discuss. All of you have heard about a plus b square. What is a plus b square? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, isn't it? So you have read this earlier. Now if you talk about 42 square, and if I want you to find its square, take this as b and take this as a. Even if it would have been 142, even if it would have been 142, then 2 will be b only, 14 will be a. Okay, so now a square is 4 square 16, 2 square is 04. So a square and b square we have done, a square and b square we have done. Now 2 into a into b. So 4 to the 8 into 2, 4 to the 8 into 2, 16. So it's 4, 6, 7 and 1. So it's 1764. And obviously 1764 plus 42 is this. Obviously 1764 plus 42 is this. Okay, everybody? Fine. So this is one way. But in this way we have to use the pen and paper. In this way we have to use the pen and paper. Now how to find that verbally? How to find that verbally? Alright, everybody? So if we find that verbally, my dear students, what you will be getting? See, 42, is it more than 50 or less than 50? 42, is it more than 50 or less than 50? Obviously it's less than 50. How much less than 50? See, very simple. 42, if you want to find 42's square, verbally means without using pen and paper, simply 42, is it more than 50 or less than 50? Obviously it is less than 50. How much less than 50? 8 less than 50. How much less than 50? 8 less than 50. So from base 25, reduce 8. You will be getting what? From base 25, okay, reduce 8. You will be getting 17. Okay, and 8 you have reduced. So 8 square is 64. So that is what you are getting over here. That is what you are getting over here. So this is another very simple way of finding the squares, but obviously this once in some time, when if I get the time at the end, I will discuss it in detail. Otherwise, I hope that many of you are aware about this. As far as this is concerned, it's 1's cube plus 1. It's 2's cube, 8 plus 2. So now it will be 10's cube, which is 1000 plus 10. So it's, I think you all are getting it. What is the right answer? It's option number C. All right, everybody. Option number C is the right answer. All right. Now the next one. Okay, syllogism. A question where no mistake is permissible. No mistake at all. Okay. Where no mistake is allowed. Now some students solve this via theoretical method. Some students can use the Venn diagram approach. Whichever you are comfortable with, use that. So you can see all pillars are funnels. All the pillars are funnels. And some pillars are spatulas. Some pillars are spatulas can be drawn in this manner. Some pillars are spatulas can be drawn in this manner. Or even some pillars are spatulas can be drawn in this manner. So there are more than one ways. Now, some pillars are not funerals. See, when all pillars are funerals is given in the statement, then some pillars are not funerals. How it can be right? It's a contradiction. So it's definitely false. DF, definitely false. Wrong. Some spatulas are pillars. Now some spatulas or pillars will definitely be true. Now please apply your mind. When some pillars are spatulas, when some A is B, some B is A is also true. So this is true, and therefore the correct answer is option number B. Only second follows. All right, fine everybody. I hope all of you are getting this now. The 22nd question. Verbally you can do this. Verbally you can do quickly. You must be aware about the alphabetical positions of the letters. If you are aware about the alphabetical position of the letters, your task is done. It's super easy. All right. Say E's position is 5, F's position is 6, I's position is 9, N's position is 14, U's position is 21, and now the next one. So this is again missing number series. Isn't this a missing number series? So you can see over here 1, 3, 5, here 7. So now what you will be getting? See 1, 3, 5, 7. So you will be now getting 9. So 21 plus 9 is 30. And now what is 30? What is 30? 26 plus 4. What is 30? 26 plus 4. And what is 4? 4 is D. And that's the correct answer. All right. I hope all of you are getting this. Fine. Now, moving ahead. See, 21 plus 9 is 30. But what is 30? 26 plus 4. It is 26 plus 4. So after Z, if you go 4 steps ahead, you will be getting D. And that is the correct answer. All right. Next. 23rd one. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. See, these kind of questions you can do verbally. Even in exam hall. If the question is not that complex, you can do that easily. Try this. Now see, we had discussed opposites at the beginning. Opposite pair of letters. Evening time. Evening time. E is opposite is V. Crack. C is opposite X. PK. P is opposite K. GST. T is opposite G. But here, A plus 5. B, C, D, E, F. B plus 5. C, D, E, F, G, H. U plus 5. V, W, X, Y, Z. L plus 5. M, N, O, P, Q. Okay. Further, you can check here also. Okay. From V, it's W, X, Y, Z, A. Okay. W, X, Y, Z, A. Q, R, S, T, U. H, I, J, K, L. But here, after U, V, W, X, it's Y, Z, A, B. It's Y, Z, A, B. So, you can see that there is a difference over here, isn't it? So, on that ground, the correct answer is option number B. Alright. Fine, everyone. Now, the next question. Okay, again, a very simple one. Again, a question that you can solve verbally. Try it first. Come on, try it. Now see what is happening. It's very, very simple. Verbally, you can do this. Vikramaditya, information is telling it's option number C. Okay, let me check that. See, basically what is happening. See what is happening. 3 steps previous from C is Z. 3 steps previous from Z is W. 3 steps previous from W is T. 3 steps previous from T is Q. So obviously the answer must start with Q. So you can see everywhere Q is there. But now here will be the difference. A plus 4 is B, C, D, E. Plus 4 is F, G, H, I. Plus 4 is J, K, L, M. Plus 4 is N, O, P, Q. So Q and Q is a must. So Q and Q is a must. And there is only one option which supports Q and Q. There is only one option which supports Q and Q. if there would have been more than one option with Q and Q, if there would have been more than one option with Q and Q, then you would have been checking the next thing. Okay, then you will check the next thing. What is the next thing? See, from here, from W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and so on. All right, getting it? Now, the 25th one. Solve this one. A better question. You will have to use pen. Try this. This is a question of seating arrangement. And remember, yesterday we had discussed seating arrangement in 2-hour class. On Sunday, that is yesterday 1 to 3 p.m., we discussed questions of these kind. Isn't it? If you remember, please see. Okay. Now, this is the first lengthy question in this set. This is the first lengthy question. I am giving 1 more minute just for you to solve. In exam, if you are not able to solve any question within 1 minute, in reasoning, skip that. Leave that. Come on, try this. Concentrate and focus. Now, Vikramaditya is answering, and that's a good thing to see. Now, whether it is right or wrong, let us see. So, let us start. 8 friends A to H, they are sitting in 2 lines of 4 persons each. So, 8 persons or 8 friends A to H, they are sitting in 2 lines of 4 persons each. And they are sitting in such a manner, that the persons are facing each other. Okay, both the lines are facing each other. Now, here A is facing D. What is the meaning of A is facing D? Means A is facing D will be like this, or D can be above, A can be below. What is the meaning of A is facing D? Either this or D can be above, A is below. Other than this, that can happen. Now, E is to the immediate left of G. Now, wherever is G, E is to the immediate left of G. E is to the immediate left of G. Now, H is to the immediate right of B. H is to the immediate right of B. So, wherever is B, its immediate right is H. H is to the immediate right of B. Now, C is facing G. C is facing G. Okay. If C is facing G, okay, C is over here. C is facing G. After that, F is facing H. F is facing H. Okay, fine. F is facing H. So F will be here. F will be here. F is facing H. Now, B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. Facing G, facing G, and B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. Now you can see B's right is H. B's right is H. So because it is facing southward, B's right is H. And H opposite is F. So H opposite is F. Alright everybody. Now my dear students, D is to the immediate left of F. D is to the immediate left of F. So it will be like this. So what you are getting is D, F, E, and G. Here you are getting C, B, H, and I think A is left out. A will be here. So this is the arrangement. Now, if you will keep this as above and this as below, what will happen? This thing will go upward and that thing will come downwards. But in that case also, the teams will be same only. The teams will be same only. See, one each of the points are satisfied. A to H sitting in two lines of 4 persons each. Then both the lines are facing each other. A is facing D. So you can see that A is facing D. E is to the immediate left of G. So E is to the immediate left of G. H is to the immediate right of B. H is to the immediate right of B. Here right will be here because they're facing southwards. Now C is facing G. So you can see C is facing G. Now F is facing H. So you can see F is facing H. B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. Facing G, B is to the immediate right. Now D is to the immediate left of F. And then obviously A was left, it will be here. So the persons in the same team are D, F, E, G, which is nowhere given. It's A, B, C, H, which is given. So the correct answer, the valid answer is A. So this was a good question. Okay, among all the 25 questions that we solved, this was the first good question and challenging questions. Yes, it is time consuming. See, this is time consuming, I agree. But it is time consuming for everyone. That is also a point. So at the max, examiner can give you such kind of questions. The examiner cannot force you to solve such kind of questions. Alright. Now see, we have discussed the first shift. Now before we come to the next shift and discuss the next 25 questions, let me talk about our application. The Exampur official app is the one-stop solution for all the government job aspirants. And when we say that, here are the reasons. We provide you live paid courses with test series. We provide you free subject-wise and topic-wise quizzes with report card. We provide you free job alert, admit card, and exam date. We provide you all exam previous year PDFs with solution. We provide you free All India Scholarship test with report card. We provide you topic-wise free live classes. We provide you free full-length and sectional test with report card. We provide you free exam-wise PDFs and practice set PDFs. We provide you daily, weekly, and monthly current affairs. And then towards the end, we provide you unlimited subject-wise and practice-wise questions. See, for any student who is preparing for any exam, I will like to highlight this. Okay, all exam previous year PDF with solution, it's very, very important. It tells you the level and variety of questions that are being asked at your exam level. And then this, the unlimited subject-wise practice questions. Percentage topic is in bank, in SSC, in CAT also. So if you are an SSC aspirant, why I will solve questions with percentage of CAT or vice versa. So your exam-wise specific questions over here. And over the top of that, our exclusive paid batches. I will be discussing about it later on. Let us restart the second shift of 21st of April. So second shift, as of now we were solving shift 1 and now we are solving shift 2. 25 questions. Your time starts now. Quickly everyone. Oh, very easy. Very easy guys. Verbally you can solve this. Super easy question of analogy. Come on, hurry up. Come on, try this. See, time and again I have requested you that please memorize. the squares of numbers from 1 to 25 and cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. This is the basic thing. After that, you have to go on increasing that. Okay, now here, what is going on from here to here? So 13 minus 1 cube. So basically it's 12's cube, which is 1728. Okay, and then it is 17 minus 1's cube, which is basically 16's cube. Now 16's cube, if you see at the end, if 6 is here, 6 cube is 216. So at the end also 6 will be there. At the end 6 is there in only this option. So this only is the valid answer. So this is how you will solve this. Alright, now this was an easier question. Okay, moving ahead, the next one. This also you can solve verbally. Verbally you can solve this. Come on, go ahead. Quickly everyone. Please concentrate over here, guys. Come on, please concentrate. Verbally you can solve, guys. See, C, D, E, F, G. So answer must start with G. Okay. After that, from L, minus 3 is I. Okay, minus 3 is F, minus 3 is C, and now minus 3 is Z. Minus 3 is Z. So Z. So Z is supported in only one option. G, and after that Z is supported in only one option. Okay, so therefore the correct answer is option number C. Alright. Moving ahead. Solve this one. Now this again you can do verbally. This again you can do verbally. Quickly everyone. Quickly everybody. It's easy guys. Just concentrate. It's not very simple, but at the same time it's not that difficult as well. Try this, you will be getting the answer. Quickly everyone. See over here the correct answer. Yes, anybody? See what should be the point over here? What should be the point over here? What you should focus? See, one simple thing over here. You are seeing such a kind of structure over here. Okay, so you are seeing such a kind of structure over here. Okay, you are seeing such a kind of structure over here. Fine. Okay, so okay, this, okay, fine. This, okay. So what is the right answer, guys? Yes, the correct answer is option number C. The correct answer is option number C. Okay, if you observe the minute differences, you will be getting the funda, guys. Okay, if you see the minute differences, so it's a pure question of observation. Here, no theory is there. Here, I cannot teach you theory. It's pure a question of observing the things. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay, and yes, rotation, even if this term is not mentioned, it is mentioned clearly that rotation is not allowed, but even if that is not mentioned, rotation is always the last choice. Okay, fine. Oh, simple question, a bit of science, okay. Chinmay Das, hello and welcome. Quickly everyone. See, diseases are of two kinds. One, which spreads from person to person, like the recent pandemic, COVID, from a person A to person B to person C. And other is deficiency disease, which doesn't spread from person to person. For example, chicken pox. Chicken pox is a which kind of disease? It spreads from person to person. So chicken pox is a is an infectious disease. Chickenpox is a infectious disease. It spreads from person to person. Now, what are deficiency diseases? For example, you all are aware that goiter is caused due to deficiency of iron. Okay, if in your body the iron is below the minimum basic level, okay, then you might suffer from goiter. Rickets, the problem related to bones, vitamin D, deficiency of vitamin D, deficiency of calcium. Okay, so this was a better question. If some person is not aware about this, that person might suffer. That person might suffer in this question. Okay, so in this question, a bit of science, very basic thing, very basic science, okay, not detailed one is required. Okay, now the fifth question. Solve this. Paper cutting and folding. Paper cutting and folding. Please go ahead. Come on, hurry up, guys. Now, if you unfold the paper about a vertical line, its mirror image will be formed. Now, if you talk about the mirror image, my dear students, see the two arrows will point towards each other. The two arrows will point towards each other. The two arrows will not point in unidirection, so it's gone. Second thing, my dear students, if you're seeing a triangle over here, here triangle will be in this manner. Okay, so the triangles cannot be in this manner, nor even in this manner. The correct answer is option number B. See the positioning of the triangles. Okay, moving ahead. Very good, guys. Very good. Come on. The next one. The sixth one. Solve this one. Question of blood relation. Quickly, guys. So, Rakhi, very good. Vikramaditya, very good. Anupam, good. Chinmay Das, please try this. Since it is a question of blood relation, some male person will be denoted by the sign of plus, a female will be denoted by the sign of minus, and a couple or pair of married couples will be denoted by equals to sign. See, these kind of questions, there are two ways of solving. The best way is to take it on your own and then solve. The second way is obviously the family tree. So now how to approach by the family tree? Introducing Reshma to a guest, a lady, Karishma said. Please mind it. Introducing Reshma to a guest, a lady, Karishma said. A lady, Karishma. So identify the speaker. The speaker is Karishma and it is a lady. Okay, identify the speaker, the one who is speaking. It is Karishma and lady. And now the speaker is using the word my. Now just apply your common sense. If the speaker is using the word my, I am speaking and I am telling my, it is for myself. So now Karishma is telling my father-in-laws, my father-in-laws, my father-in-law's daughter. Okay, and now she is the daughter. Okay, she is the daughter. So basically, introducing Reshma. This is Reshma over here. Is this area visible? Introducing Reshma, okay, to a guest, a lady Karishma said that she is the daughter of my father-in-law's daughter. How is Reshma related to this person Karishma? It's the niece. It's the niece, not sister-in-law. It's niece. How it can be sister-in-law? See, Karishma is related to this as niece. Karishma is related to this as sister-in-law. So these two are sister-in-law. These two are sister-in-law. This is niece. What is nephew? Nephew is the son of your brother or sister. What is niece? Niece is the daughter of your brother or sister. All right. I hope it is very clear. Niece. Next one. Super easy one. Dice is the topic which is like a bouncer for you. Okay. Or not bouncer. I should correct the terminology. It should be a full toss, which you can easily hit out of the ground. Now, if you see, verbally you can solve this. check these two. Two or more positions of the same dice are given. Two or more positions of the same dice are given and they have only one face common. So identify the common face, that is D. And now go in clockwise direction. So from D, it's F and then it's B. So if you wish, you can go in anti-clockwise direction as well. Shubhi Kumari, good evening. From D, it's E and then A. From D, it's E and then A. So now just tell me, my dear students, B's opposite is A, F's opposite is E. Now D's opposite will be C only. So C's opposite is D. C's opposite is D. That is what is being asked. Alright, fine. Moving ahead. See, you can solve it by different way also. B, E and C. If you now check these two. If you check these two, B, E and C, what is common? E is common. E is common. Okay. So go in clockwise. After E, it's B and C. After E, it's B and C. Here, after E, it's A and D. After E, it's A and D. So still you can see, earlier also C's opposite was D. Now also C's opposite is D. Earlier also B's opposite is A. Now also it's A. E's opposite is F. E's opposite is F. I hope it is very clear, guys. Fine, everyone. So answer still will remain same. It's unchanged. Next one. Very simple, guys. Come on. Please solve this one, guys. A question of blood coding decoding. Oh, it's simple one. It's simple one, guys. Blues is written as HVFOY. HVFOY. So how will forced be written? How will force be written? It is written as what? So my dear students, please understand the things. We have read about the opposites. We have read about the opposites. So boy, B is opposite Y. Owl, flew, evening time, his. So opposites. Now here, dew, evening time, cracks, Indian Railways, owl and flew. So it's WVXILU. WVXILU. So the correct answer is option number D. Alright, Subhi Kumari. Very good. Anupam, very good. Chinmay, Rakhi, very good. Now the next question. Solve this. Okay, now these kind of questions are a bit irritating. Okay, you have to solve this. You have to check this. Anybody, even me or you will have to check this. Okay. Quickly, everyone. Which two numbers need to be interchanged to make the following equation correct? So we have to ensure that the equation is balanced. Okay, just do one thing. Some options you can easily verbally eliminate. Some options you can easily verbally eliminate. How? For example, if you go by option number A, it says 12 and 13 will be interchanged. Just apply your mind. If you interchange 12 and 13, here will be 13 and here will be 12. Now, 48 divided by 13 into 5. 48 divided by 13 into 5. Will it give you something in integral number or something in decimal? Obviously decimals. 48 divided by 13 into 5 will be giving you something in decimals. And a decimal will not allow an integral number over here. So option A cannot be the right answer. No, so you need not check every option thoroughly. Now if you go by option number B, it says 13 and 8 are to be interchanged. So 13 over here and 8 over here. If you just interchange that, what is going to happen? Just apply your mind. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 48 divided by 12 is 4. Into 5 is 20. So 13 plus 20. 48 divided by 12 is 4. Plus 5 is, into 5 is 20. Now my dear students, just you see 13 plus 20 minus 8. So 33 minus 8. Will it give you 29? Will it give you 29? Obviously no. So obviously my dear students, now let us come to the next one. If you interchange 8 and 12. If you interchange 8 and 12, so what is going to happen? So here will be 12 and here will be 8. We have interchanged 8 and 12. Now see what is going to happen. Now here it is 12 plus 48 divided by 8 is 6 into 5 is 30 minus 13. So it's 42 minus 13. Now my dear students, won't it give you the right answer? Won't it give you the right answer? Okay, so Shubhi, Anupam, you all will have to recheck your answers. You will have to recheck, you will have to verify your answers. Okay, now moving ahead. So do not worry, see, mistakes happen. Even I do calculation mistakes, do not worry, but try this on a positive note. Now the 10th one, quickly, one of the easiest ones. Chinmay, I am not getting what you're trying to say. You can write in Hindi also. I can understand that. Okay. Now see what is happening over here. Four friends. This is one of the easiest question, guys. Four friends are sitting at four corners of a square facing towards the center. So four corners of a square, four people facing towards the center. Okay. Okay, Vikramaditya. Okay, fine. Vikramaditya, I got it. Chinmay, please see my playlist. In that playlist, we have 3-4 lectures of syllogism. We have 3-4 lectures of syllogism starting from basic level till the highest level in your exam. Now see, here it is telling you H and J are diagonally opposite. So if you want H and J diagonally opposite, H and J can be here, or reverse, H and J can be here, or reverse, H and J can be here, or H and J can be here. Do anything, guys, do anything. Now, I is sitting to the immediate left of H. I is sitting to the immediate left of H. Do not do mistakes in right or left. So now who is left out? J, H, I, J, K, H, I, J, and K. K is left out. So now who is sitting to the immediate right of J? Immediate right of J is I. And that's the correct answer. Option number B, that is I. Alright. Next. Okay. Mirror image. Easiest question. Verbally you can solve. No pen, no paper. Verbally you can answer. Quickly. In this topic, you just have to see the placement of mirror. Whether mirror is over here, or mirror is over here, or mirror is over here, or mirror is over here. So you just need to focus on the placement of mirrors. That's it. Okay. Quickly, everyone. Very good. Very good. Now see, simply you can see this, guys. Here this is pointing outwards. So here also it will point this structure. This structure will point outwards like this. So on that ground, each one of them is eliminated, and here it is pointing outwards like this. So therefore it is the right answer. This should not point downwards. Okay. And here the orientation is only wrong. The orientation is wrong. So obviously D is the right answer. All right. So this is an easier one. Now the 12th one. Solve this one. So these kind of questions you can solve verbally without pen or paper being involved. Okay, solve them. Verbally you can solve this, guys. We have done similar kind of questions earlier also. Now see what is happening. We have discussed opposites. So his H opposite is S. Evening time E's opposite is V. Man M's opposite is N. P's opposite is I. No. Now here after Q R S. After C D E. After K L M. Okay. Obviously here after M N O P. So I hope you are getting. See, P's opposite is K or I's opposite is R. Okay. So keep that in mind. The correct answer, the odd one out, is option number D. Now, my dear students, the 13th question. The 13th question. Okay. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everybody. Hurry up. Verbally, you can solve it, guys. See, after G, it's Hij. So after S, it's TUV. Then from T minus 2 is V. Okay. Sorry, from T plus 2 is V. So from D plus 2 is F. So answer must have V and F. and V and F is supported in only one option, and that is option number D. Had there been more than one options with P and F, then you would have checked this. The previous letter of Q is P, the previous letter of K is what? J. So on that ground, again V of J would have been the answer. All right, fine everybody. Next, okay, 14th question. Come on guys, the 14th one, hurry up. Okay, now see, let the number be x, y, z, anything. So if 80% of a number is 768, so what will be the 1% of that number? It will be 768 upon 8. So it's 8 9 just 72 and 8 6 just 48. It's 96. So that means the complete number, the 100% of that number is 960. So that number is 960. But here it is not asking you the number. It is not asking you the number. It is asking you what is 40%. 40% is 2 by 5. What is 40%? It's 2 by 5 into 5%, 5 by 100 into 960. This is what is being asked. As simple as that. So you just have to solve this. So on the scale of 20, 22 ja and 25 ja, 5 and 5 gone. Now 2, 5 ja 10 and 0. So this is 96 by 5. Now basically 96 by 5. Do not never take 5 as 5. Never take 5 as 5. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. 10 by 2. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. 2 will be going over here. So basically it's 192 by 10. So what is 192 by 10? It's 19.2. Alright, it's 19.2. Alright everybody. Now, the 15th question. Solve this one. Please go ahead. The next question. Very good class. This is what is expected. See, please keep on liking and sharing the session now. It's very crucial. It's very important. It's easy guys. It's easy. Okay. 74, 101. Then it's 128. Then it's 155. And then so on. So now if you 74's multiple is not this. Okay. So now if the multiple is not there, you have to check the differences. So if you check the differences, okay, you will see something constant over here. What is that thing you will get over here? 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, and after that, my dear students, it's 9 minus 7, 2. So 27. Here also you check the difference is 27. Here also you can see the difference is 27. So you can understand what is going on. You can understand what is going on. So now, my dear students, 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 means it will be 2 at the units place. So only at one place 2 is there. So that is why it's the right answer. Option number A. Alright? Fine everybody. So this was an easier one. The next one. Oh, again easy one. Again an easy one. So just by looking at the question in 20 seconds, you can mark the answer. 20 seconds. Try this on your own. I'm very sure, super duper sure that you will be solving this. See, while solving questions of these kind, all that you have to understand, all that you have to remember is the positions of the letters. So, you must have heard about the 𝐃𝐻𝐿 technique. What is 𝐃𝐻𝐿? It's not a meaningful word, but it will add a lot of meaning in your aptitude. With the positions of the letters are in multiples of 5. Okay, the positions of the letters are in multiples of 5. All right. So how will this help you? This will help you to memorize the positions. So for example, M's position is 13 and 13's thrice is 39 over there. O's position is 15 and 15's thrice is 45 over here, and so on. Similarly, K's position 11, 11's thrice is 33. A's position is 1, 1's thrice is 3, and so on. So R's position 18, 18's thrice is 54. All right, so it is gone, it is gone. Now A's position is 1 and 1's thrice will be 3. So obviously one option is there. So the correct answer is option number A. So guys, you have to be really quick. You have to be really quick, guys, okay? Now, the next one. Solve this one. Try this one, guys. Chinmay, Shubhi, Anupam, everybody, please try. Now, in these kind of questions, you have to do a bit of hit and trial. Not completely, but a bit of. Now, see, which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Okay. Now, if you use minus and plus, so if you interchange minus and plus, okay, so suppose minus will be over here and suppose and plus will be over here. Now, just please understand, guys, please understand. 15 into 8 divided by 96. 15 into 8 divided by 96. Will it give you something in integral numbers or something in decimals? Just tell me that. 15 multiplied by 8, 15 multiplied by 8 divided by 96. Will it give you something in integral number or something in decimals? Just answer me this question. Because if you solve this, 8 1 is 8 and 8 2 is 16. Okay, so this will give you something in decimals, and decimal will not allow an integral number over here, guys. Okay, so therefore option number A is negated. Option number A is negated. Negated means eliminated. Option B says interchange divide and minus. So if you interchange divide and minus, okay, so now what are you getting over here? So if you are solving this, so BODMAS rule, you have to only follow the BODMAS rule, okay? You have to only follow the BODMAS rule. So 13 plus 15 into 8, okay, minus 96 by 4. This is what you have to solve. All right, everybody. Now, if you solve this, it's 13 plus 15 8 ja. What do you get 15 8 ja? It's 120. Okay, minus this is 24. Okay, so if you just solve this, it's 133 minus 24. It's 109. It's 109. It's fine. It's fine. The correct answer is option number B. Okay, the correct answer is option number B. Okay. See, this is a pure question of BODMAS application. Nothing less, nothing more. The 18th question. Quickly. Now see these questions. Will you do mistake over here? Okay. Is this a question where mistake can happen? So that is why reasoning is one of the most scoring areas in Ssc Cgl exam. Okay. And now it will be asked in tier 2 also. That's all very interesting. Quickly, everybody. See, MAL is throughout. So now forget till MAL. MAL is throughout. Forget till MAL. Now after MAL, it's F. So 4, from 4 it will start. From 4 it will start. After 4, it's MALF. After F it's GHI. But it is MALIC. It is MALIG. So first one and then 2. First one and then 2. So 412 is there in 2 options. Afterwards, 4 1 and 2 you have to check in them. So obviously here will be LO and then W. So it's 3 and then it's 5. 4 1 2 3 5. 4 1 2 3 5. The valid answer is option number B. So these kind of questions are super easy and scoring. Okay. Now the Okay. Yes, this was one question which I was looking. Okay, this is a very interesting question. Because it's a simple one, but the way in which it has been given will confuse you in the exam. It's an easy one, but the way in which it is given will confuse you in the exam, but not after this discussion. Do not worry. Do not worry. All right, we will discuss it. 1 complete minute. Think and think over here. Come on, Shubhi, Anupam, Chinmay. So Shubhi, it is not a difficult question. It is not at all a difficult question. The problem is in the manner in which it has been given in the exam. And in the exam also it was given exactly in the same way. See how to solve this. Easily how to solve this. Here there are 3 numbers. Here there are 3 numbers. Here also there are 3 numbers. But here there are 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how to deal with this? How to solve this? 12 from here, 12 from here. So 12 of the top and 12 of the bottom. And then take these 3. So it's 72, 3 and 4. Then here 36 from top, 9 from bottom. 36 from top, 9 from bottom. Take 63, 4 and 12. Take 63, 4 and 12. Now it will be super easy. See now here 60 from top, 14 from bottom. 60 from top, 14 from bottom. And now it's 98 question mark 15. 98 question marks I am taking x and 15. Now solve this, and now I am giving you again 1 minute. Now again 1 minute, guys. Okay, so now solve it. Now solve it. No, Surbhi, do not give up so easily. Do not give up so easily. Now you all can do this. Now I'm very sure some of you will be giving me the answer. Only the way in which the question was given was making it quite unreasonable or quite confusing. Not super easy. All right. Quickly, everyone. So Chinmay Das, Anupam, Shubhi. Quickly, guys. I will start with the discussion very soon. I will start with the discussion very soon, guys. Do not worry about it. Now, see what is happening. See what is happening. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. 72 divided by 12 is 6 and 12 divided by 4 is 3. And further, guys, that their difference is 3. Similarly, 63 divided by 9 is 7, 36 divided by 12 is 3, and their difference is this. Here, 14 7 ja, this is 7, and 15 4 ja, this is 4, and 7 minus 4 is this. So obviously the correct answer will be 3. So this question was not difficult. The method in which it was given, that was making it a bit of tricky. But henceforth, you will be able to solve this. Okay, I'm very sure you will be able to solve this. Okay, see, and now one more thing. This question can also be given in this manner. This question can also be given in this manner. 12, 36, 60, then it's 72, 3, 4, 63, 4, 12, 98, x and 15, and then 12, 9 and 14. So in this manner also it can be given. So never be confused. Never be confused. Now you will be able to solve this. Okay, fine. So 72, 3, 4, then 63, 4, 12, then 98, x and 15. I don't have much space over here. So 98, x and 15. Okay, so in that manner also it can be given. Okay, now syllogism. Very simple, guys. Solve it. Be super quick and solve this. You can either solve it by the Venn diagram approach, you can solve it by the theoretical approach. In whichever way, in whichever approach you are comfortable, you can go by that. Okay, everyone. See, some spades are knife. Some spades are knife. And all knives are rakes. Okay, now some knives or spades will obviously be true. It's true, definitely true. And some rakes or knives will obviously be again true. So both of them are valid. Both of them are true, definitely true, both of them. So the correct answer is option number C. The correct answer is option number C. All right, everybody, fine. Okay, these are super easy questions, guys. Okay, the next one, again, just by simple or mere observation you can solve this. Simple observation, you will be able to solve this. Come on. See, it's very simple. D plus 2 EF plus 2 GH plus 2 IJ. D plus 2 steps forward F plus 2 steps forward H plus 2 J. So here obviously I cannot be there. Point number 1. Next point. Triangle 3 sides, square 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, now hexagon 6 sides. So everywhere you can see hexagon. Fine, but the difference is 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. So now will be 4th line. The lines are in symmetry. So the lines are in symmetry, guys. So therefore it is the right answer. Alright, here you are not getting 4 lines. Here it is more than 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it's 6. So on that ground, the other options are eliminated. The correct answer is option number C. So this was an easier one. This was an easier one. Next, 22nd. Super easy question. Verbally you can solve. Quickly try this. Try this, everyone. See, you can solve it verbally also. Do you want to solve it verbally? See, it is asking what will be the code for India. Tim Dim Kim is India is big. Tim Dim Kim is India is big. So now you can see India is only over here. Is and big are at other places also. Is and big are at other places also. See, is and big are at other places also. So its code also will be at other places, but India is nowhere else. If India is nowhere else, its code will also be nowhere else. So Tim Dim Kim, see, Dim and Kim is there at other places also, but Tim is nowhere else. So therefore the correct answer, the valid answer is option number C. So in that way we will be able to answer. All right, fine. So these are super easy questions, guys. The next one, solve this one, the 23rd question. Very good, Shubhi, Anupam, and all the others. Please, with full energy. If you all are watchful enough, you can easily solve this question verbally. If you are watchful enough, okay. So what do I mean by that? You can see IMM here. You can see IMM here. So here also IMM should be there. IMM. Then you are seeing OBI here. So here OBI. Okay. Here I double M. So here OB. Then a double M. OB double M. OB double M. Option B. So in this way you can do. But okay. If I'm solving these kind of questions for the first time, then what I will do? I will try it option by option. So if I will try it option by option, first option is BOML, and after that MEIB, MEI and B. Now just see. IMM BOILE, IML, no. So this is not a pattern now. IMMBOILE, no, it's not happening. But if you follow the very next option, O, B, M. After OBM, it's again one more M. Then it's LEBI, L, E, B, and I. So if you check this, guys, what are you going to get? See, immobile, immobile, immobile. Okay, so I hope all of you are getting a continuous and complete pattern over here. That is why it's the right answer. The next question. Solve this one, guys. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Now, these are some of the super easy questions which I'm very sure you will be able to do. Okay, which I'm very sure you will be able to do. Now, see, this is a good question. This is a good question. I'm giving you one more minute, an extra minute. Please try. Please try. Okay? An extra minute I have provided. Why? So that you can solve it. I'm just writing down the numbers. It's 14, then it's 20, 34, 72. After 34 and 72, it's 182, and then the next one. Okay, everyone? Quickly, guys. Now the time is almost over. Come on, it's very less time which is left. Time is up. See, 14's multiple is not 20. 20's multiple is not this. But certainly if you see the difference, you will get something. See, here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 14. Here it is from 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, it's 38. Okay, and then my dear students, it's 2 minus 2, 0, and 18 minus 7, 11. So I hope all of you are getting this. So this is the first difference. But obviously we are not getting something significant from the first difference. So obviously we will go for the second difference now. If first difference is not giving us the right thing, obviously we will go for the second difference. So here it is 8. Okay, here it is 24. Here it is 72. So here it is. 8 difference, 24 difference, 72 difference. So what are you getting? Into 3. See, here it is into 3. Here it is into 3. Here it is into 3. 3 to just 6 and 3 7 just 21. So this plus this is 6 plus 0, 6 over here. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, 3. And if you just add it further, it's 2 plus 6, 8. It's 8 plus 2, 10. And it's 508. It's 508, guys. All right, everybody? Getting it? So this was a better one. So this is indeed the better one. Okay. So whenever you will solve the paper, never take such kind of questions at ego in the exam hall. Okay, everyone? Getting it? Fine. So now be ready for the next one. The next one, the 25th one. Oh, super easy question. Dice. Dice, super easy. One minute, complete 1 minute. Take your time. Very good, Shubhi, Chinmay Das, Anupam. Very good, keep it up. Please, everybody, like and share this session. It's extremely important for everyone to like and share the session, guys. Quickly. Now see what is happening. There are more than one ways of solving. See, my dear students, if you check this, L, N, P, N, P, okay. Please understand, if two or more positions of the same dice are given, if two or more positions of the same dice are given, and if they are having two common faces, if they are having two common faces, okay, then the uncommon faces are opposite to each other. Then the uncommon faces are opposite to each other. And now if L is opposite to M, if L is opposite to M, L and M cannot share common corner point. Okay, L and M cannot share common corner point. All right, so opposite faces cannot have common corner point. I hope I am very clear. In a dice, opposite to one face, you see your room. If you see your room, okay, the the top floor, the roof and the base floor, they will not have any common face. Okay, they will not have any common vertex. They will not have any common vertex. Okay, so L and M, since they are opposite, why they are opposite? If two or more positions of the same dice are given, check these two. If two or more positions of the same dice are given and if they have two faces in common, then the uncommon ones are opposite to each other. So that means L's opposite is M. And now if L's opposite is M, obviously if L's opposite is M, they cannot share common vertex. So on that ground, these two are eliminated. Now obviously we have to check from this. Now if we check from this, my dear students, be very, very clear. See, these are open forms of dice. In open form of dice, the faces at gap of one are opposite to each other. Okay, I repeat. So in an open form of dice, in an open form of dice, okay, in an open form of dice, the faces at gap of one, the faces at gap of one are opposite to each other. The faces at gap of one are opposite to each other. All right, everybody. The faces at gap of one are opposite to each other. Now, what does that mean? See over here. At gap of one, Q's opposite is P. At gap of one, L's opposite is M. And at gap of one, N's opposite is O. So you can clearly get L's opposite to M over here. That is why it is the correct answer. As far as this is concerned, faces at gap of one, O's opposite is P. So according to this, O's opposite is P, Q's opposite is L, and N's opposite is M. So now here you see there is a difference. You see there is a difference. L's opposite M is there. Here N's opposite is M. So that is the problem creator. That is the difference creator. I hope it is very clear. Fine, everybody. Fine. So these kind of questions are not difficult. I will not say it's very simple, but obviously it's not that difficult as well. Now see, we have discussed two sets. 25 plus 25, 50 questions we have discussed, which were conducted on 21st of April 2022. 25 more questions. The last shift 3 will also be discussed. But before coming to that, you all are well aware, okay, about the benefits of our Exampur official app. But obviously you will be able to use that once you're able to download that, once you're able to install that. So from your Android mobile phone, go to Google Play Store and type over there Exampur app. Now the moment you type Exampur app over there, such a kind of interface will be appearing and you will be asked to click on the install icon. The moment you click on the install icon, within couple of minutes, if your internet is decent, within couple of minutes it will be installed and then you will be asked to click on open. Now since you're a first time user, since you're a new user, you will be asked to register by providing the basic details like your name, date of birth, email, password, phone number, state, city. The moment you click on the checkbox that I agree with terms and conditions, and the moment you submit on register, you have registered yourself. All right, fine, everybody. Yes, Shubhi Kumari, I will show you all the class timing, do not worry. So are you ready for the last 25 questions? Come on, tell me, guys, are you all ready for the last 25 questions? So here it is. The shift 3, 21st of April 2022, shift 3, last 25 questions. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Quickly, everyone. You all can easily solve this. I'm very sure about this. Now see, okay, now please check this. Please check this. Check the difference. If you check the difference, here is 2, here is 5, here is 10, here is 9 minus 2, 7, and 7 minus 6, 1. So if even that is not fine, check the second difference. If you check the second difference, it's 3, it's 5, it's 7. So 3, 5, 7, and then it will be 9. 3, 5, 7, then it will be 9. So 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26, 9 plus 6 is 15, and 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2 is 10. So it's going to give you 105, and that is the right answer. Alright, Shubhi Kumari, very good. Fine, Chinmay Das, Anupam, come on, hurry up everybody. So I hope all of you are getting the right answer. Okay, so here if you do calculation mistake, you are bound to do mistake. Anybody? Okay, so now the second question. Quickly everybody, the next one. Again a simple question of observing the things. Nothing less, nothing more. Quickly. So which of the following option figures will be there? Which of the option figure when rotated 45-degree clockwise and then 135-degree anti-clockwise? My dear students, which of the option figure, please understand, which of the option figure when rotated 45-degree clockwise and 135 anti-clockwise? Now 45 clockwise and 135 anti-clockwise will give you 90-degree anti-clockwise. Will give you 90-degree anti-clockwise. Alright everybody, fine? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Which of the, very good, very good. So which of the option figure, it is a very simple one guys, which of the option figure amongst them when rotated 45-degree clockwise? See, 45-degree clockwise and 135-degree anti-clockwise, the resultant, the difference is 90-degree anti-clockwise because anti-clockwise is greater. So this figure, okay, when it is rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, will it give you this? Tell me, 90-degree anti-clockwise, will it give you this? Tell me. So I think what will be the right answer? Will A be the right answer? See, please understand what is the question telling. This figure when it is rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, it will give you this. I agree. This figure when it will be rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, it will be giving you this. I agree. But is the question asking that? Question what it is asking? It is asking which of the option figure when rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise will give the question figure. It's just the reverse, and that is where mistakes happen. Now tell me what is the modified answer. Tell me what is the modified answer. Come on guys. Tell me what is the modified answer. Quickly everyone. Chinmay, Shubhi, anti-clockwise. See, what is clockwise? Clockwise is this. Anti-clockwise is this. Okay. So if this figure it is rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, it will be coming over here like this. So it's not the right one. If this will be rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, this will be coming like this. It is not the right one. If this will be rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, it will be turning in this, so it's not the right one. If this one will be rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise, it will be giving you the right answer. Okay. And C is the right answer. But see, the ones who have solved this have also given A. The ones who have solved this have also given A. All right. So see, the ones who are solving, who are preparing, the team who is preparing my PPT, okay, even they have I think misread the question. See, actually what has happened? Generally, we solve the question from question figure. Okay. So obviously, if the question figure, if we will rotate it 90-degree anti-clockwise, we will get this. And that is why the first thing which will come to mind is A. But the question was not asking that. Question was asking something other than this. Read it carefully. Which of the following option figure when rotated 45-degree clockwise and then 135 anti-clockwise, the resultant will be 90-degree anti-clockwise, will give you the question figure. So this when rotated 45-degree anti-clockwise will be here, and further 45-degree it will be here. So on that ground the valid answer is option number C. All right. So no issue, no issue. It happens. It happens with me also. Do not worry. So okay, the third one. The third one. Quickly. Beautiful question. It's a beautiful question. Quickly, everyone. Quickly. Do not worry. I will give you one more minute. I will give you one more minute. Okay. Solve this. Try to find the odd one out. Please try this out, guys. Hurry up. So I'm getting an answer in the form of question mark. We will explore that. We will check that. See, time and again I have requested all of you. And again I am requesting. Okay, again I am requesting. Please memorize the squares of numbers from 1 to 25. Please memorize the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. This is the basic. Then you have to increase it. See, one very simple thing is that I know the cubes of numbers till this. 11's cube is 1331. One more. 12's cube is 1728. Okay. 13's cube is 2197 and so on. So that means I understood that this is 13's cube. Okay. This is 13's cube. Do you know how to find the cube root? So now I will tell you a method of how to find cube root of perfect cubes. Okay, how to find cube root of perfect cubes. Now for imperfect cubes, what is the way out? That's a thing which we will discuss in some other class whenever I get time. See, how to find the cube roots. See, one thing which you have to understand is 2, 3, 7 and 8. See, please understand. Please understand, guys. Remember this. 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. How to find cube roots of perfect cubes. Now see, please understand this. For example, 1's cube is 1. 2's cube is 8. 3's cube is 27. 4's cube is 64. 5's cube is what? 215. Is 215? Is 5's cube 215? Okay. 25 into 5. 25 into 5 is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8's cube is 512. 9's cube is 729. And 10's cube is 1000. Okay. So that's it. Now do not check anything further. I will tell you how to find the cube root of perfect cubes. So again I am writing it. How to find cube root. How to find cube root of perfect cubes. How to find cube root of perfect cubes. Okay. Now see. For imperfect cubes, we will discuss separately sometime. It's not so simple. See. Now, what is the meaning of this? 2's cube is 8. When you do 2's cube at unit place, you get 8. And vice versa. When you do 8's cube at units place, you get this. So 2's cube you get 8. And 8's cube you get 5 and 2. Okay. So 2's cube 8 at unit place and 8's cube 2 at unit place. You can check that. 3's cube 27 at unit place means 7. and 7's cube 343 means 3 at unit place. So 3 is cube 27 means 7 at unit place. 7 cube 343 means 3 at unit place. So for 2 you will get at unit place 8. For 8 at unit place you will get 2. For 3 at unit place you will get 7. For 7 you will at unit place get 3. For all others you will get the same thing. For all others you will get the same thing. For 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 9, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 1, 1. For all others you will get the same thing. Now, if you want to find the cube root of 4913, if you want to find the cube root of 4913, so if 3 is there, okay, and you have to find the cube root of this, then if 3 is there, at unit place you will be having 7. At unit place you will be having 7. If 3 is over here, as perfect cube at unit place you will be getting 7. Now since it is cube root means power 3. Cube root means power 3, so cut 3 digits. What is remaining? 4. Now select any number whose cube is less than or equal to 4. Select any number whose cube is less than or equal to 4. So 2's cube will be 8, which is more than this. So 1's cube is 1. So the cube root of this is 17. The cube root of this is 17. If I talk about 2197, if I talk about 2917, guys, and if someone asks you to find the cube root, so if 7 is here, at cube root you will get 3. So 3. Now it is cube root, power 3. So cut 3 digits. Now find a number whose cube will be less than or equal to this. So again 1. So its cube root is 13. Okay. Now here, if I talk about this, 3375. 3375. At 5 you are getting at unit place 5. At unit place you are getting 5. So at unit place if you are getting 5, its cube root will also have 5. At its unit place you will have 5. And now 3 digits, cut 3 digits. Now a number whose cube is less than or equal to this, so it's 1. So its cube root is this. Similarly, 6859. So 6859, you are getting 9. So if you are getting 9, so at unit place also you will be having 9. 9, so 9. And now my dear students, you will be cutting last 3 digits. Okay. So now select a number whose cube is less than or equal to this. So 2's cube 8 will be exceeding this. So it is 19. Okay. So my dear students, you are free to check. I am giving you 1 minute. Take out your mobile calculator and check whether 17's cube is this or not, whether 13's cube is this or not, whether 15's cube is this or not, whether 19's cube is this or not. Please check. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please check it quickly, guys. Okay, please check it quickly and tell me, give me the feedback. Are you all getting this? If yes, please like and share this session. If you want to solve and see more such kind of tricks, you are most welcome in our paid batch, guys. Okay. Come on, I'm giving you 1 minute. Please check. 13's cube is 4913. Sorry, 17's cube is 4913. 13's cube is 2917. Okay, it's 2197. It's 2197, guys. It's 2197. It's 2197. Okay, I've written it wrongly. It's 2197. Then here, 15's cube is 3375. 19's cube is 6859. Are you all getting it? Fine. Now, moving ahead, if you see, this is a prime numbers cube. This is a prime numbers cube. This is a prime numbers cube. Is 15 a prime number? So therefore, the odd one out is option number B. So this was it is a typical question. It is not very simple that you will see and you will mark. Okay. So please remember the squares of numbers from 1 to 25. Please remember the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Fine. Anyways, moving ahead. Solve this. Time starts. Simple one. You will be able to solve this. 1 minute. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, guys. The time is up. Shubhi is telling that, sir, please explain question 3 again. See, in question number 3, 13's cube is 2197. 17's cube is 4913. 15's cube should be, 15's cube is 3375. And then 19's cube is 6859. So what do you know the meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. So 13, 17 and 19 are prime numbers, but 15 is not a prime number. On that ground it is odd one out. Okay, Shubhi Kumari? Fine. As far as fourth question is concerned, let us discuss this one. So 8 friends are sitting around in the same order anti-clockwise. So same order anti-clockwise. Same order anti-clockwise. So now suppose this is a circle. Okay. And now all of them are facing the center. So 8 persons or 8 friends, okay, all of them are facing the center. I hope all of you are getting this. Okay. So now 8 persons, all of them are sitting facing inward. And now suppose if you keep P over here. So same order anti-clockwise. Same order anti-clockwise is Q over here, R over here, S over here, T, U over here, U, V and W. So that is fine. And it is not necessary that you keep P here only. If you keep P here, if you decide to keep a P over here, then after P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W will be in this manner. Now, my dear students, they are at equal distances. Okay. Now, if Q is sitting in the southeast, okay, fine. If Q is sitting in the southeast, so this is southeast. I am taking this to be southeast. Q is sitting in southeast, not facing southeast. Q is sitting in southeast, not facing southeast. Okay, so Q is sitting in southeast. Even if you take Q is facing southeast, the answer will be same. Even if you take Q is facing southeast, the answer will be same. Okay, but anyways, here it is telling you Q is sitting in southeast. Now, in which direction is W sitting? Now see, all of you are well aware about the sign convention. See, this is the sign convention which we follow. North, south, west, east, between north and east, northeast, between north and west, northwest, between south and west, southwest, between south and east, southeast, and so on. All right, everybody? Fine. Now see, southeast is generally over here and it is just reverse. Just reverse. If southeast is here, northwest. Okay. Now just tell me, guys. Southeast is going 180-degree clockwise. Southeast is going 180-degree clockwise. So northwest will also go 180-degree anti-clockwise. Okay. So northwest, okay, will be coming over here. Now just tell me, my dear students, it is telling you in which direction is W sitting. So now W is sitting over here. W is sitting over here. So this southwest will be going over here, northeast will be coming over here. Southwest will be going over here, okay, and then northeast will be coming over here. Okay, now the question is in which direction is W sitting? It's southwest. So southwest means the correct answer is option number A. All right, I hope it is very simple, guys. Fine, very good, guys. So now see, it's not only about whether you are able to solve the question or not. It's all about how quickly you are able to solve that. Okay, now the fifth question. Quickly. 18 is to 10, 24 is to what? 18 is to 10, 24 is to what? Okay, everybody? Fine. There is a small correction over here. Guys. Okay, this is 18. Just do a small correction. It's 18 is to 162. Then 24 is to what? It's 18 is to 162. Then 24 is to what? A small correction. It's an error from my end. Okay. Quickly, everyone. Yes, I have already corrected that. I have already corrected that. Okay. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. Very common type. Come on. Now, if you solve this, what are you going to get? If you solve this, what you are going to get? See, it's 18 multiplied by 18's half, which is 9. So 9 8 just 72, and it's 16, it's 162. So 24 multiplied by 24's half. So it is basically 24 multiplied by 12. 24 multiplied by 10 is 240. 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. So basically it's 288. Basically it's 288. Okay, everybody? And that's the right answer, option number B. Okay, so these are common questions. This is not new. Such kind of logic has appeared several times earlier also. Oh, simple one. Come on, guys. I will not give you much time over here. 1 minute is more than sufficient. Quickly. Quickly, everyone. See what is happening. If you check thoroughly, photo is everywhere. Photo is everywhere. Now, if photo is everywhere, now obviously first C will be coming. So it's COPI. It's COPI that will be coming first. So answer will be having 2 at the beginning. Answer will be having 2 at the beginning. Okay. Very good. So see, photo is there throughout, but after photo it will be G first or C first. Obviously it will be C first, but then COP is here, COP is over here. But I comes before Y. As a result, 2 will be coming first. Then after 2, 5, and there is no option which is having 2 and 5 at the beginning. So why to check further? Why to waste time further? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Quickly, everyone. Quickly solve this. Come on, hurry up. I'm here. It's just that I'm a bit tired, so I'm sitting over here. Okay, do not worry. Come on, hurry up. In the following Venn diagram, the oval stands for chartered accountants. So the oval stands for chartered accountants. The pentagon stands for males. The triangle stands for full-time employees. Full-time employees, okay? And the square stands for taxpayers. Taxpayers, okay? Now, my dear students, the give, okay. How many male chartered accountants? Male and chartered accountants are neither taxpayers nor full-time employees. Neither taxpayers nor full-time employees. Nor full-time employees. Okay? So I have eliminated taxpayers, I have eliminated full-time employees, and now it is telling you how many male chartered accountants. Male and chartered accountants. Now these are chartered accountants but not male. These are male but not chartered accountants. So what is left out? Obviously the correct answer is option number B, that is 22. They are male chartered accountants, and at the same time they are neither taxpayers nor full-time employees. All right. So these are super easy questions, guys. The next one, solve this. Again a bit of hit and trial. Okay, again a bit of hit and trial is required at your end. Come on. Eighth question. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Now see, we are starting now. Now see, we are starting now, guys. Okay. So which two numbers should be interchanged? Which two numbers should be interchanged to make it correct? Now see, my dear students, 52 and 26. If you interchange 52 and 26, what is going to happen? Just apply your mind. 52 and 26. So if here you are having 26 and over here you are having 52. Okay. So just see what is going to happen. As per the BODMAS criteria, 26 plus 69 minus 46 upon 23 into 52. This is what is happening. Okay, 26 plus 69 minus 46 upon 23 into 52. Now see, if you solve this, it's 2 times. So now if you further solve this, it's 9 plus 6, 15, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. But after that you have to do minus. And minus what? Minus what? 104. So that is going to give you actually something in minus. That is going to give you something in minus. Do we require minus? Is on the other side, are we having minus? No. So therefore, my dear students, that is wrong. Option A is obviously wrong. Now let us check option B. It is telling you that interchange 69 and 46. If we interchange 69 and 46, so 46 here and 69 over here. So now as per again the BODMAS rule, it is 52 plus 46 minus 69 by 23 into 26. So simply we have to find the BODMAS rule, guys. Simply we have to find out the answer by the help of BODMAS rule. So if you further solve this, it's how much? It's 3 times. So it's 2 plus 6, 8 and 5 plus 4, 9. And minus 26 into 3 is 78. It's obviously 20. It's obviously 20, guys. And that's the right answer. Option B is the valid answer. Okay, option B is the valid answer. Fine, everybody. So this is how you will approach the question. Okay, now very simple. Solve this. Now these kind of questions are very common. Several times they've appeared. Please try this one. The 9th question. Check the positions of letters. That's the first and foremost thing that will come to your mind or anyone's mind. Now positions of letters should be first checked in alphabetical order. If it is satisfying the criteria, well and good. If it is not, then we will check the positions in reverse alphabetical order. Okay? Come on, try this, guys. It's a beautiful question. See what is happening. Rahul, if I talk about the word Rahul, so if I check the positions, Rahul R18, A1, H8, U21, L12. So here 8 plus 1, 9, plus 8, 17, 18 and 19, 20. And then here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, it's 60. But 60's thrice is 180, na? 60's thrice is 180. Fine. Let me further check. If I talk about the word puja, okay. So if I talk about the word puja, P16, O15 and 15, J10 and A1. So here, my dear students, 15 plus 15, 30, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 16, 56, plus 1, 57, it's 57. And 57 multiplied by 3, 57 multiplied by 3 is 171. It's 171. All right, everybody? Fine, everybody? So now it's sum of positions multiplied by 3. It's sum of positions multiplied by 3. So Rajiv, R's 18, A is 1, J is 10, I is 9 and V is 22. Add this and then multiplied by 3. So 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Multiplied by 3 will again be giving you 180. Alright, and that is the right answer. Alright, so sum of positions multiplied by number of and multiplied by 3. Sum of positions multiplied by 3. Okay, the next question. Time starts. Quickly, everyone. Okay, it's not difficult, but at the same time, it's not that simple. At the same time, it's not that simple. Quickly, everyone. Now see, my dear students, have a look at this. Organs is provided to you. Okay, so the word is organs. ORGANS. So what is happening at the very first stage? At the very first stage, my dear students, you can see S is going over here. So it will be SORGAN. So you can see that over here. Now what is happening? Now another thing. Now N is coming over here. And now it is SNORGA, as you can see over here. Now what will happen? Now A will come over here. So now it's SNAORG. It's SNAORG. Then my dear students, now what will happen? Now G will be coming from here and it will be occupying this place. So SNAGOR. 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 And then finally, now what is happening? Now this last position R will be coming and it will be occupying which place? It will be occupying this place. So it's SNAGRO. SNAG and then R over here and then O. And that's the right one. Option number A is correct. So this is obviously not a very difficult one, but at the same time it's not very simple. It's not a cakewalk that you will see and you will easily answer the question. Okay, fine everybody. Next. Okay, the 11th question. The 11th question, guys. Quickly everyone. Solve this one. Come on guys, please keep on liking and sharing the session. A lot of hard work is required in conducting these kind of sessions, guys. See, here what is happening? All the wires are chargers, okay? All the wires are chargers. Some chargers are phones. All the chargers are equipments. So all wires are chargers, all chargers are equipments, some chargers are phone. Now, some equipments are phone, some equipments are phone is definitely true. And then all wires are phones. All wires are phones is not something which we can confirm. So obviously it can't say. It is not false also, because I could have drawn phones in this manner also. I could have drawn. So in possibility this could have been true or this will be true. See, can't I draw this? All wires are chargers, some chargers are phones, and all chargers are equipments. This is also a possible diagram. Okay, so but anyways, some equipments are phone is confirmed here also. So definitely true. All wires are phones is false over here. It's true over here. So that is why I can't say. Anyways, the answer is only one is correct. Only one is correct. Okay, everybody? Fine. Next. Okay, solve this one. Again, very simple one. Quickly solve this one. Now, these kind of questions do not require pen or paper. Very honestly, they do not require pen or paper. No need to read also in between the lines. Just see and solve. As simple as that. Quickly, everyone. Now, see what is happening, guys. If you unfold the paper, obviously you will be getting a triangle like this. So if you are getting a upward facing triangle, how can you have a downward facing triangle over here? Now if you are having here an upward facing triangle, here you will be having a downward facing triangle. Okay, as you can see over here, here and here, it's fine. But now here you will have triangle like this. Okay, so here the two triangles cannot be in the same way over here. The two triangles cannot be in the same way over here. So it's gone. And here, see the triangles. Is this triangle and this triangle same? Is this triangle and this triangle same? No, the orientation is different. This is the valid one, guys. This is the valid one. Option C is right. So these kind of questions are super easy. Okay, the next one. Solve the 13th one. Quickly, everybody. Come on, hurry up. Please try. Anupam, Shubhi, and everyone who are live, please like and share this session, guys. It's extremely important, guys. It's extremely important. Okay, now see what is happening over here. Very good, very good. So basically what is happening, two things are happening. Number one, this is coming over here and turning also 90-degree clockwise. Then it is coming over here and turning 90-degree clockwise. Again it will go over here, it will go over here and turn 90-degree clockwise. So obviously now, is this the right one? If this was turning 90-degree clockwise, that dark portion was above. Again 90-degree clockwise, dark portion is here. And again if 90-degree clockwise, the dark portion will be below. So it won't be above. So on that ground, this is eliminated. Okay, at first sight, this is eliminated. Now the second option. Let us look at this structure of rectangle. This rectangle is coming over here, but then, my dear students, it is also turning 90-degree anti-clockwise. Then it will come over here and then turn 90-degree anti-clockwise. Now it will come over here and now it will turn again 90-degree anti-clockwise. So the shaded portion will be towards here. The shaded portion will be towards here. So on that ground, this is eliminated. So one by one, you have to just eliminate the options. Okay, now if you check these two, see, this is same in all of them. This is same and this is same. So the difference is in the arrow. So check that arrow, check the arrow. So if you check the arrow, so it is coming over here and then it is turning 90-degree clockwise. Then it is coming over here and turning 90-degree clockwise. Then it is coming over here and turning 90-degree. Sorry, is this clockwise? See, it is over here. It is coming over here and turning 90-degree anti-clockwise. Then it is coming over here and turning 90-degree anti-clockwise. Then it is coming over here and turning 90-degree anti-clockwise. So it is basically pointing upwards. And on that ground, this is the right answer. So that is how you will be solving this, okay? So the questions, see the level of questions. Can't you score at least out of 25 questions? If you skip one or two, you can easily get 23 or 24 questions correct, okay? Next one, solve this one. 14th question. Quickly, everyone. Now see, one option can be, is there any option which we can directly eliminate? Verbally eliminate? Can we do any option which can be verbally eliminated? See, if I go by option number B, option number B says that use divide over here, use plus over here, use multiply over here, use minus and use equals to. But see, 54 divided by 36 is basically 3 upon 2. 54 divided by 36 is basically 3 upon 2, which will be giving you something in decimals, and a decimal will not allow any integral number over here. So therefore, it cannot be the right one. Now B is gone. Now if I go by option number D. Now what is option number B telling? Here plus, here multiply, here minus, here divide. Now just tell me, 18 divided by 24. It is basically 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 means something in decimals, and decimals will not give you an integral number over here. So these two options can never be the answer. So now answer will be A or C. Now I will check A. If that is the answer, fine, otherwise C will be there. Or vice versa, you can check C. If C is the answer, fine, otherwise A will be there. Okay, so now, for example, as I have already discussed, that these two cannot be the right answers. Now check any one, A or C. If A is the right answer, it's fine, otherwise C, or vice versa. So you have to solve only one. So if I solve C, so here it is divide, here it is multiply, here it is minus, here it is plus, and then equals to. So now verbally you can solve. 54 divided by 36, it's 3 upon 2. See guys, 54 upon 36 into 12 minus 18 plus 24. So 12 3 is 36. 3 18 times, 18 and 18 will get nullified. It will get cancelled out, and then 24, and that is what we are expecting over here. So obviously C is the right answer. Now if C would not have been the right answer, then will we mark A directly, or will we have to check A over here? We can mark A directly because all the other options are already eliminated. The next one. Quickly everyone. Oh, it's very simple. Very, very simple, guys. Verbally, no use of pen and paper required over here. Bachelor. Bachelor is written as YZX. YZX. SVOLI. Education. Education, okay? Have we discussed opposites? At least 4 or 5 questions in today's class are directly based on opposites. See, boy, B is opposite Y, A is opposite Z, cracks, his, evening time, owl, Indian Railways. So evening time, dew, flu, cracks, A is opposite Z, GST, Indian Railways, owl, man or men. This is the right answer. So accordingly, what is the right answer? It's option number B. All right, everyone. So very good everyone. Now the next one, the next question, guys, 16th one. Again verbally. Again you can solve this verbally. So there are many questions in your exam which you can solve without pen and paper. Okay. Quickly. Now see, here what is happening, guys. After M, N, O, and after O, P, Q, R, S. After G, H, I, after I, J, K, L, M. After H, I, J, and after J, K, L, M. After L, M, N, and after N, O, P, Q, R. So it's +2, +4 throughout, as you can check. But over here it's +2 and +3, and that's the one which is creating the difference. All right, everybody. Very good, Anupam. Come on, Shubhi and Chinmay. Come on. The next one, 17th one. Similar kind of a question. We have done such kind earlier also. Okay. Come on. If you are watchful enough, if you are careful enough, you can do that. But obviously, if you are a fresher, you are solving it for the first time, you might use pen and paper, eliminate via options, you will be able to do it. Okay, everybody? Fine, everyone? Now see what is going on in the very first option. In the very first option, it's SR, QRN, QRN, SRQRN, QNSPR, QNSPR. Now check PSR and QR. No, pattern is not formed. No complete pattern is formed. This is not the right one. Going by the next one, SRQP, SRQP, SRQP. After that, NSNQ, NSNQ. After that, NSNQ, it's PR. It's PR, okay? Now, this is a pattern. PSRNQ, 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 PSRNQ. So, this is a pattern. So, see, it's very simple, okay? So, this is how you have to check. There is no magic which we can do over here. The next one. Quickly. Try this. Come on guys, this question, try this one. Now see, my dear students, what is happening? Check the rows over here. If you check the rows, you will be getting this. 13 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 by 2. Okay, so basically it's 3. And my dear students, sorry. See, what we have to do basically over here, it's check in this row. It's 13 multiplied by 6 minus 6 by 2. So it's 13 6 just 78 minus 3, which will be giving you 75, isn't it? Check over here. It's 18 into 4 minus 4 by 2. So basically it's 18 for just 72 minus 2. It's 72 minus 2, which is 70. Okay, fine everybody. And then over here, it's 15 multiplied by 8 minus 8 by 2. It's 15 8 is 120 minus 4, which is 116, which is 116. So the correct answer, the valid answer is 116. All right, very good class. The next one, the 19th one. Please solve this. Come on, hurry up. Very good, Shubhi. Very good, Anupam. Very good, Chinmay Das. Keep it up, everyone. So this is very simple, guys. It's very simple. It's not that difficult. Okay, you can easily answer this. The time is up. The time is up. Okay, see here the difference, if you see, is 17. Check the difference, guys. Here now 16, 77, 87. Here it's 19. So after 86, 7 minus 6 1 and 10 minus 8 2. So I think you can see an increment of 2 is going on. Plus 2, plus 2. Okay, and here plus 2. It's 3. So 20. Sorry, plus 2. It's plus 2, which is giving you 23, and this will be giving you 130. This is giving you 130, and that is the right answer. All right, everybody, that is the right answer. All right, everyone, fine. 130. Option C. Okay, now the next one, embedded figures. The embedded figures question, verbally you can solve, no need of even pen or paper. Okay. Yes, very good class. See, your focus should be over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that 1, 2, 3 and 4, it's not in that manner over here. Not even over here. You are getting it over here. See over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. As far as these lines are concerned, 1, 2, 3. So you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the correct answer is option number. Okay. So I think here there is an error. Can A be the answer? So here I am correcting it. The correct answer is D. Okay. So sometimes the ones who prepare PPT, they can do mistake. These are human errors. Okay. Option number D is the right answer. The next one. Quickly, everybody. Open form of dice. This is a open form of dice. Fine. Verbally, you can solve. No need of pen or paper over here. Okay? No need of pen and paper over here. It's open form of dice. And in open form of dice, the faces at gap of 1 are opposite. The faces at gap of 1 are opposite. So, gap of 1 are opposite means 1's opposite will be 4. Gap of 1 means 2's opposite will be 6. And the ones who are left out, 5's opposite will be 3. And now, my dear students, so which faces will be opposite? 1's opposite 4, nowhere is there. 2's opposite 6, nowhere. 3's opposite 5 is there in option number B. And that's the right answer. Alright. The next one. Solve this one. It's very simple. One of the easiest questions of analogy that we are doing today. Quickly, everyone. Verbally, you can solve. Verbally. Now see, C plus 1 is D, so T plus 1 is U. A plus now 2 is B, C, O plus 2 is P, Q. So answer must be from U and Q, okay? Now, see here, over here, after n it's plus 3 OPQ, so after n again it will be plus 3 OPQ, so it's U double Q. So this is gone. Now after that, after O, it's PQRS. So after S, it's TUVW. So it's UQQW, which is only supported in option number B. All right. So I hope all of you are getting this. So this is one of the easiest ones. Solve this one. Slightly better question. To be very honest, a better question. Quickly solve this. I'm ready to give you 2 minutes for this, but please try this on a serious note. Quickly, everyone. Moving ahead. Come on, guys. It is a question of Venn diagrams, but this is slightly a better question. Okay, I'm ready to give you 1 more minute for this. Please try and go ahead. Come on, everybody. The time is almost up. See, I will not say that, okay, everyone should be able to do this in 1 minute, but certainly 90 seconds is sufficient. Certainly 90 seconds is sufficient. And yes, I have already said it's a better one. See, now in a group of 110 students, 23 did not participate in any of the 2 games. So out of 110 students, 23 did not participate. So how many active persons are there? 10 minus 3, 7, and 10 minus 2, 8. It's 87. Alright, everybody. So the active people who are involved is 87. The active people who are involved is 87. So only badminton X, only chess Y, and both badminton and chess Z. So if I add all of them, X plus Y plus Z, it will be 87. Okay, it will be 87. Now the question is telling you 45 students participated in badminton. If 45 students participated in badminton, so that means x plus z is equals to 45. 45 students participated in badminton means x plus z, and 61 students participated in chess. 61 students participated in chess means y plus z. So y plus z, it is 61. But it is asking you how many persons participated in badminton only. Badminton only means no chess. So x, do one thing. This value, if you put over here, this value, if you put over here 61, what will you get? X. X will be 87 minus 61. So it's 7 minus 1, 6, and 8 minus 6, 2, it's 26. So 26 persons participated in only badminton. So 26 persons participated in only badminton, okay? If it would have asked you how many persons participated in only chess. So for only chess, my dear students, you will put 45 over here. So if you will put 45 over here, x plus z 45, so y will be 87 minus 45. So it will be 42. It will be 42, okay? So this will be 42. And if it will now ask you how many participated in both of them, so 42 plus 26, it's 68, 78, 88, it's 19. It's 19. So 19 participated in all of them. All right, everybody. So I hope now you are able to get this. So 26 in only badminton, 47 in only chess, and 19 in both of them. So even if you add them, now see, only badminton 26, only badminton 26, only chess 42, okay, and then both of them 19. So 6 plus 2, 8 plus 9, 17, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, it's 87, and that is certainly what were the active students. The active students, okay, because 23 were not involved in any of them, okay. Now the 24th question. Solve this. Verbally you can solve this. Verbally. Quickly, everyone. Since it is a question of blood relation, again I would be using certain sign conventions. Male will be denoted by plus sign, female will be denoted by minus sign, and couples by equals to. Okay, everybody? Okay, fine. Now listen to me very carefully. There are two ways of approaching this question. One is to take the example on your own. That is one way and the easiest way. The other way is the family tree approach. And what is the family tree approach? Find out the speaker. Find out the speaker. Pointing towards the photograph of a lady, Varun said. Pointing to the photograph of a lady, Varun said. So Varun is the speaker. And now Varun is the speaker and Varun is using the word my. Varun is the speaker and Varun is using the word my. So it will be for Varun itself, and Varun is telling my father-in-law. So Varun's father-in-law, Varun must be married to somebody, and that somebody's father is Varun's father-in-law. So Varun is telling that my father-in-law's sons, my father-in-law's sons, only sisters, mother-in-law. How is Varun related? Varun is the son. Varun is the son. Answer is option number C, son. Okay, getting it, everybody? Yes or no? So I repeat it, everyone. See, Varun, what is happening? Varun is pointing to this lady. Varun is pointing to this lady. Okay, sorry. Varun is basically pointing to this lady. And what is Varun trying to say for this lady? Varun is saying that she is my father-in-law's son's only sister's mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. So how is Varun related to that lady? Varun is the son. All right, fine. Varun is the son. How is Varun related to that lady? Varun is the son, and that's the right answer. Option number C. All right, fine. Now the last question will be your home exercise. You will solve this and you will answer it at the comment box. Okay, everybody? The last question will be your home exercise. You will solve it and you will answer at the comment box. Now see, there are certain information come announcement. We have launched the SSC CHSL 2022 batch. The notification for this will be out on 6th of December. Okay, as per the official note of SSC. Now we have launched the SSC CHSL 2022 batch. The name of the batch is SAFALTA batch, where it is purely in English, where we are going to provide you 450 plus hours of live classes, live foundation classes, class PDFs which are bilingual in nature, daily practice papers, mock test series, sectional subjects and previous year papers. And see, the course is as of now priced at 2800. The course is now priced as 2800. But if you use the code SSC50, if you apply the code SSC50, you are going to get a flat 50% discount and you can avail it at as low as 1399. As low as 1399. Alright, everybody. So that is the bare minimum 50% off you can get. Alright, and now, my dear students, see, these are the faculty members who will be taking care of your classes. Sanjay sir will be taking care of your maths portion. Me, that is Ankit Sharma, will be taking care of your reasoning. Juhi ma'am will be taking care of your English portion. Deepmani sir, science, and Shashank sir, history and polity. But apart from history and polity, economics and static GK will be taken care of by Devendra sir. And now Milan sir will be taking care of your geography and current affairs portion. My dear students, I hope that all of you are well aware about this, that from tomorrow we are starting the demo classes. So from tomorrow, the demo classes, which is free of cost, and the actual course plan, the actual study will start from 28th of November. The validity of the course will be 1 year. And now you might ask me that, sir, what is the schedule of tomorrow's demo session? So have a look at this. The schedule of tomorrow's demo session will be 8 to 10 a.m. It's Milan sir's current affairs session. Then history session from 10 to 11 a.m. Then mathematics from 3 to 4 p.m. Then reasoning from 4 to 5, and then so on. It will be going on. See, science class from 10 to 11. See, please understand. Shashank sir's class will be on Monday and Tuesday. Then this class will be on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, English will be from 11 to 12. So this is the schedule of your classes. Okay, everybody. So with this, if you have any query, you can call on this number or you can text at WhatsApp. So for calling this number and for WhatsApp, you can call us on this number. With this, we come to an end of the session. Guys, believe in your abilities, believe in talent, because the only person in the world who is standing between you and your success, it is you, definitely it is you. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. God bless you.